very popular candidate ngakani leri ma'am se mayam jigi marakta shakti pai political party ma leri masi mayam jigi marakta Sri Mahesh na bahut kagani habagi thajaba je kadai phawal lei on what ground?
You have asked an excellent question, I must say. Your question has answered many answers which I would like to say. Aina haining ba amasung mayam hakada ba question mayam manangi question asina adum answer tawjagre ko. Thank you. Yam nungaijare dugi damakta ngasi somna habirisi mirajna habirisi BJP candidate ama loktholokani habine ba. I am sure BJP will have a candidate of their own. Sina takpadi mayam na hariktu Mahesti NDA ni NDA is alliance of BJP. Aduna BJP na candidate lokthokta arabadi yeah they are alliance friends. Politics service di koigi kanaba mayam common natra maximum benefit to yenga friend oi ba ne matra adu darkar letragan ching tokoi wa ne ba samna harabada TMC Trinamool Congress ND part oi rememni adu moina moigi interest to fulfill tawdra mo independent oigra adu Congress ko su ally oi rememni. Similarly RPI sometime they had ally with Congress. So now Mahesh mayam na harakada ba mayam na charge torkada ba nangi questions na khungra habasi because now BJP and Maheswar, they are separate now in the issue of Manipur. Manipur ki damakta Maheswar se mana thole BJP yidagi tongan be kendem le aduna ojik sigi election de align teba aduna Maheswar thongno jomda mayamna level blame khara tawgi haina khanjai ngasi marang manga tarani sida madi BJP de yaudre dungai neba adugi question duma clarify ore BJP will have their own candidate. Maheswar is contesting from RPI. That solves the problem of this ambiguity and lot of doubts having by a lot of people. Aduga Maheswar thonawjamna man lawgiber role si da mayam na penbi duna lekai khudingi arap ko constituency mayam na kaudana ma si kauraga vote lepu haina haijaba wabunga mayam thagat wakhet phongluk chaba. It's available all in Facebook and YouTube's mayam na khangbira magi popularity se adugi su matakta mahak asi khwaidagi matik chaba mine haijar se masamak BTech graduate ni electronics and communication na Chennai dagi tarokpani aduna masagi su brain lay habisi masana taksar ni koigi Indian society not only in Manipur Indian society the engineer amsung doctor tamba habisi cream of the society ne ba aduna mahak brain lay adu mahak honabakali society ngi dam khali aduga hojik ki si Manipur gi interest da BJP na hire ga namthalaga yagadaba pot nate mahak nasu kayara ganna government gi against the maitai gi interest da approach kaya ama tawre central government which none of the leaders from other political parties have done it. Aduga Maheswar thonawjana di aina ngasai ju hanna haijagare ko amko chu hanna ningjing jage mayam na khangna ba mahak na tawribe effort ai isamak Rajnath Singh unari as a retired officer ai numit kuntrani sangna nukti phone aduna sida aina hena explain to boy kari su darkar leite mayam loina khangbi rubdini sarkar pan baduna moina decision lawuni moina decision lawraga sigumba decision mayam si lawuni aduna I don't have to explain anything more than this. Thank you very much.
Okay now just 1 minute another goes again ekoi Sri Mahesh na hadagi lakador Lok Sabha election sida ka kani habasi magi winnability si ground reality the kadai fulai have
ground reality da I think Mahesh will get more than 85% of the votes of total voters. Magi web lairiba ground lairiba grassroots connection si amna phase amasung mayam gi support mafam mafam khuding gi mangonda mana lepsa gi haibenate mayam lepo harga lepani aduna matam kitang thengmani ma kitang lepsre le kumsira haiduna khadana mayam gi pressure helaktana mana lepani masan lepsa gi haibenate aduna mayam na thagalakpa haibesi mak soidana ka ani haibese ai gi seng thajabani of course Congress amasung atai atop party me moi su cadre base lebina moi su vote khradi phangani aduga maximum vote Mahesh na 85 to 90% Mahesh will get.
RPI
Pfizer Madu total analysis somna polling analysis aduma yenga tawbiro hojimokti ai adu haijabanga.
Okay, thank you very much. Ai mathang ji